My name is Silvia and run the London School of Capoeira together with Mestre Marcus here in Finsbury Park, North London. So we have a range of lessons, but I will say the most popular is beginners for adults and beginners for children.
What's driving me to run the business is the love we have for the art form of capoeira, and just to see people come to our school. They don't know anything about capoeira. When they leave the school, they know quite a lot.
I see people becoming stronger physically. I see people communicating with others. I see them quite confident, so they can take this experience to the outside world.
We set our company goal, past goal, is a physical theater where we can express ourselves and show to the public never saw capoeira before. They start to understand very deep what capoeira is.
I feel very proud that I am Brazilian and an immigrant, and I have taken the culture to British people and how much they love it, the interest that has created here